What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hope everybody's doing well. We're gonna go over our friend Bitcoin. Currently sitting at 17.4k, up 1.3 on the day. I'm leaving for Cape Town tomorrow, as I'll mention in today's videos, and I don't arrive till the 12th, so there might not be any videos for the next couple days. Just want to let you know, and I'll be back to making videos once I arrive. So we're seeing a market cap of 331 billion, 24-hour volume 13.88 billion. If you're new to BitGet, grab up to 8K in bonuses, or Bybit up to 30,000 in bonuses. You can sign up to either or. Email me or sign up email. Free access to my Discord of over 2,000 members. So let's hop into the charts. We're going to look at BTC USD. So we bounced from our wave 2 pullback zone, and it looks like, in my opinion, that we're starting to push up. And in that wave 3, it may not be complete yet, but what I'd be looking at here is you've ABC'd into that wave 2 pullback. We bounce. Ignore this long wick because it's only here on Bitfinex, not on other exchanges. So you have a wave 1 pullback into a wave 2, potentially completion of a wave 3, and this is a wave 4 pullback. And you'd push up in a wave 5, which would complete the larger wave 3, pull back in a wave 4, push up in a wave 5, which would take you into our normal retracement for that wave 2. That's what we're looking for. We've already reached the retracement zone, so we can turn around at any time. But looking at the smaller wave counts, this is what I'm looking at. To pull back in the wave 2 and then come down in the wave 3, 4, 5 to potentially find a bottom for the market. If we zoom out, this is what we're looking at here. So we came up in a wave 4. Looking to complete the final wave 5, which consists of 5 waves. So potentially what we could be looking at is a 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There is also potential for an ending diagonal, which I will show you guys here for the price of BTC. So we'll pop over to that quickly. We are in the overbought territory on our indicators on the money flow and the RSI. So if we look at the ending diagonal, this is my other wave count, other potential wave count, where we'd be looking at coming down in a wave 5, and we've already come down in the wave A, and we pulled back in a wave B, which is a 3-wave move. So you have a wave A, wave B pullback, a 5-wave move into a C. So potentially what I'd be looking at here is this is a wave 1, wave 2, this was a 3, 4, and you're now pushing up in the 5 to complete the wave B, and you would come down in a wave C to complete the ending diagonal. Both do show continuation to the downside, in my opinion, but in the short term, I do think we'll push up just a little bit more here, and I don't think this wave count is quite complete yet. I think you're looking at a completion of a wave 3, and then we're coming back in a 4, looking to push up in a 5 to complete the wave 3 in blue, to complete the wave pull back in a wave 4, push up in a wave 5, which will complete the wave Y, which will complete the wave 2. So everything's been playing out as we've been looking for here. We're looking for a pushback up into in between 17.2 and 17.9 in that wave Y. And we bounced right from our wave 2 pullback zone, and now it looks like we're just pushing up in that wave 3, looking to put in the wave 5 of the larger wave 3. All right, gang, if we look at the Dow Jones, we've started to bounce. So potentially what I'd be looking at for the Dow is that we're going to put in a double top and then roll over, see continuation to the downside. That's what I think is a probable scenario. Unless we bounce, we hold this as support, we see continuation. But the bottom of the market would have to be in my opinion. I don't think that's the case. The DXY, as you can see, we came back down after pushing up into this resistance zone, and we have a bullish divergence on the daily. So I do think that big bounce that we've been anticipating for the DXY is going to come very soon, which will be bearish for the markets and take Bitcoin down to that. Get it together. Knock my mic right over. Take Bitcoin down to the 12 or 11 to 13K level we've been looking at. When we see that large bounce for the DXY. The NDQ is finding support here. There is definitely potential to put in a large double bottom, which could, of course, be bullish for the markets and for Bitcoin. If the NDQ puts in a nice double bottom, breaks out, gets back above the EMAs, that could be a massive breakout. Just be very, very cautious, because obviously that wouldn't line up with seeing continuation to the downside. But we may see, I do think there is potential to see the NDQ at least push up a little bit here. As well as Bitcoin will push up just a little bit more into this yellow box. before seeing continuation down. I may look to short this area for BTC, which will be updated in the Discord at 10 USD per month. You can get my trade signals. You can also see what I'm doing with my HODL alt plays, and everything else is free. All chat rooms of over 2,000 members. Let's see how many members we have now. If you sign up to either BitGet or Bybit and use my links, use my referral links, email me or sign up email. Yeah, 2,319 members, and I'll give you completely free access to over 2,000 members, posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto, and 10 USD through the Patreon trade signals, as well as early access to my analysis, which can be very helpful along your trading journey. And you can see how the members are doing with their own trades, as well as my HODL alt plays. All right, guys, smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm, and I'll see you in the next video. Okay, much love. Take care.